Good afternoon, YouTube. You catch me and Robin
Yeah.
of Western Riders with our first ever unboxing video.
Maybe the first of many, we'll see.
Or maybe the last.
Yeah,
We'll
it could
see
be.
how this goes.
Yeah.
So we're going to be unboxing the Team Tango
Luggage.
option for the rear seat of bikes. UK company, we're not sponsored, affiliated. We bought it because we need some sort of quick luggage release as opposed to panniers. So
it's a kind of luggage pad, right? That goes on
it's
the
a
seat.
rear seat pad for any bike supposedly, so we're going to see how it goes.
But not getting your rock straps nicked on the street. I'm not sure there's going to be that much advantage over traditional rock straps. What do you think?
Well, luckily, on the 23rd of this month, we're away for 6 days.
So we'll find out.
So we'll see.
I was going to do that, but it's quite hard to do. Okay, unbox time. I only have these tiny little scissors, so we might be here a little while.
I must admit their packaging doesn't look brilliant.
Feels quite sticky already. I can feel it. You know, like grippy?
Yeah.
So this is the pad, yeah? I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Team Tango Luggage. And these are the sort of rock strap substitutes. Here.
Yes.
And this goes on the seat, yeah? On the balloon seat.
The pad goes on the seat,
Yeah.
and then you've got two loops that go under the seat.
This?
Yeah, so I think if you take off the luggage holding straps
Yeah. Take these
now,
off.
yeah, take those off now, because I think they're just going to get in the way. Oh, it's got a Union Jack on it, that's cool.
Where?
Where your hand is.
Where's my hand? Oh.
At the end of your arms, my thing. Generally, little Union Jack. So just to prove it is a British company is making it. I think they retail, I think it cost me £25 including delivery.
That's about the same as rock straps though, right? There's a pair of rock straps.
Thereabouts, I think, yeah, roughly. For the big ones. For the big ones, I think.
Mm.
So we'll give it a go. Right, let's have a go at installing it.
Yeah. Thank you.
So I reckon we get the seat off eventually. And it's a case of putting the pad down.
Oh, do you want to do it upside down? No, like that.
That goes on
Then
the, then you need to flip it over. It takes ages to shorten them.
Oh yeah, it's a bit weird, isn't
It takes quite a long time.
it? Is it any easier to do it upside down?
I think it's easier if you flip this over. But I assume, as it's for any bike, they're thinking it's got to go on a GS. They even had one on a Honda Goldwing, which I thought,
That's why it needs all this.
why would you need a tank pad on a Honda Goldwing when you got a boot?
To be fair, I have a 45 litre top box on a GS.
Yeah, there is that, I suppose. But because then we don't have to ram the top box, and we've always got room for a lid.
Yes, yeah.
So when we go in for because we can now, go in for a nice lunch, we can put the lid in the top box as opposed to having it on the floor in the calf.
I'm gonna flip it.
There is a lot of material, and they haven't made this bit easy. Sorry, just to say, I've installed one onto my Africa Twin already,
You do sick.
and this bit really annoyed me.
Is that why you're making me do it by myself?
That's why I'm making you do it on camera, because I was annoyed. I did this the other day, and I shortened it brilliantly, and then I lengthened it, and I got really annoyed.
I think I'm just making it longer. Yeah, that's the wrong way.
I can almost see the thought process.
The cogs go around.
It's not happening.
Oh, that's
Nearly.
good. That was
Nearly.
almost too tight.
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
One click.
Excellent. I do think the first time I use it, I might just put a loose rock strap on it anyway, just in case. Now on the back of the pad, it's marine grade sticky stuff, as in grippy stuff. So it's the stuff they use. I think this company has made stuff for boats and yachts and stuff.
This.
Yeah.
Marine grade.
And literally, if you put it on there and try and slide it, it will not move. It's quite good, I think. As you can see by this, people, we are completely inept at most things. including me framing Robin in the picture. But so far this has taken us 8.5 minutes. Excellent. You coil up the stuff that's under the seat and get it in there.
Get it in.
Get it in.
Well,
Give it a go.
have to hope for the best.
And that's it on the seat.
Straps. Like put the straps on.
Hold on. That was the hand of help. You just can't size them until you've got your bag on, that's all.
Yeah.
So, but once you've sized it, I assume it's just click, click, you're gone.
Say that as if it didn't just take me 20 minutes to do that.
But they'd have all been tight, wouldn't they? Yeah, it looks alright, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we'll give it a go. And we'll let you know. We'll give you a review after
A couple of weeks.
after we've been away. Cool. Well, this is our final review of the Team Tango Luggage pad and straps. Now, what do you think?
It wasn't as convenient as it could have been.
It's a really good idea. I've managed to get this on my bike quite tight, doesn't move anywhere.
So I thought like it sounded good on paper. Like you said, the idea was good. But these were just too much hassle to tighten, as you can probably see in at least one of our videos. Yeah, it's just impossible to tighten it enough to keep the bag secure.
We both had grief tightening them and we both reverted back to rock straps. And as Robin said to me earlier, she said these are quite narrow. So she said if you've got somewhat wide on here, it will only tighten the middle of it. So all this is flapping around and you can't cross them. Yeah, I mean, it's a good idea, but for us it didn't work. Maybe for other people they've tried it. If they have and it's worked for them, let us know, comment below. But for us, no good.
No, I don't think so. Stick to rock straps. They're more versatile too because you can put them anywhere on the bike, so they give you a wider frame of security.
Yeah, for us didn't work, but for you maybe it did. That'll be the end of that then, and we'll see you in the next video. Any comments, stick them below if you've tried this. If you haven't, personally, I wouldn't bother.
No.
But anyway, see you again.